Hello, little scientists. Welcome to a colorful experiment that will make you go, wow. Today, we're going to play with a magical cabbage juice that changes color. Ready to have some fun? What we will need in our fun experiment today is so simple. 1. Red cabbage juice. That's the purple liquid grown-ups help boil and strain. 2. Vinegar. It's like the sour stuff in pickles. 3. Baking soda, the powdery thing in some baking treats. 4. Clear cups. Imagine them like crystal balls for our magic show. Let's start. 1. First, we pour the purple cabbage juice into 2 clear cups. 2. Then comes the vinegar magic. Pour some into 1 cup and, amazing, it turns pink. 3. Now for the baking soda mystery. Add it to the 2nd cup and, wow, it turns green-blue. So, what's happening here? Cabbage juice has a secret superpower. It's a pH indicator. That means it can tell if things are acids or bases by changing colors. Vinegar is an acid, and it turns the juice pink. Baking soda is a base, and it will transform our juice to green or blue. Isn't it neat how science shows us all these cool tricks? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share everywhere, little scientists. See you next time for more fun and surprises. Keep exploring the wonder of science.